footage that you're about to see is from about a week ago when I went out riding with BJ and Andy. It's a good example of how the X2 kind of works once it warms up. It doesn't rev up nice and clean. And then the next thing is that I'm actually testing BJ's X2 at the end of this video. I've ridden mine a bunch recently and haven't ridden his since I think last year. So it's a good kind of experiment to hop back on his and see what the difference is between the two. So anyway, let's get to it. Oh my god, I'm having fun. Man, I was going hard. Huh? Well, that's who's making the waves. You feel your sinuses too?
This is gonna be weird as heck. So much trim, no ride plate, all full bars. Oh, gotta friggin' get the key in the middle of the handlebars. Oh my god. Probably flooded. You want to go out again? You sure? Okay. Pretty sweet dismount.
You fix that thing.
She's pretty rich, eh? I'm pretty sure the filter's soaking wet now. It was pretty good when I went out on it, and then...
So do you find any difference?
This is... actually works way better than I kind of remember. This, for some reason, this seems a lot smoother.
What do you mean?
I don't know, it just seems smoother in the water, yeah.
I agree.
It must be the ride
That
plate.
thing beats the shit out of you.
Yeah.
And then it throws you back and forth.
Yeah. Like this is just kind of floaty and curvy, and that is just like bang, bang. Like it must be the ride plate.
It has to be.
Only thing it can be. Whew. Are you done or?
I think so.
If you haven't already guessed, this is the end of the video. I have a few more videos coming up, including one with BJ and Andy, one by myself where I'm doing some tuning and make a discovery on the X2, and I plan to go riding tomorrow with Megan. We're both going to try to ride the X2 together and see how that works out. This machine is supposed to be for 2 people, that's why they call it the X2, so yeah. Cross our fingers and hope that we can actually both get on it. We're going to head out to Pine Coulee. BJ and Andy might come out during the evening. I haven't actually invited them yet, but that would be fun. So that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.